You're going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 5-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear cup holders, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.
Hi, my name is Jesse Dunaway. Here at Graff today. We've been coming here, my mother, my 2 sons, and me, my father-in-law. We deal mostly with Ron Campbell. He treats us real fair. He gives us the best deal he can. I actually believe he works for us, not Hank Graff. Believe me, if you come out here, you'll get a good deal.